how to increase or reduce the stitch of this lock stitch machine. This is 2 Lion 9900D direct drive machine. Do you know how to increase it? In this video, I'm going to teach you extensively on how to both increasing and decreasing it so that it will enhance your sewing. Okay, first of all, this control panel here is where you can find the speed of your machine. As you can see, this machine is turned on. Check other of our amazing content. I have already extensively dealt on how to turn on and off of the machine and other components of the machine. Do well to check it and also subscribe to this amazing channel. Okay, I'm going to turn this on again. I'm going to plug it. Okay, I always advise for us to turn off the power switch. It's already turned off. You have to turn it on now. This machine, we have turned it on. See the lights here. This is where we regulate the speed. This is the pause button. It's already paused now. You can operate the machine at this point, and this is the start button. It's the start button now. You increase the speed like this. You increase it. The minimum speed of this machine, that's the minimum speed of this machine, is 200. As you can see, it's already 200. We increase it like this. This is up. We increase it like this. This is how we increase it. I'm going to show you how the speed works now. So I'm going to use a fabric to illustrate to you guys how it works. I'll be using
Okay,
this small
you turn
piece
on the
here.
lights of your machine to help you see clearly on what you are doing. So we are going to start with the lowest speed, which is 200. That's the lowest speed. Okay, let's check how it is, whether it will be fast or slow. As you can see, it's obviously slow. Yes, this is for beginners. If you are still learning how to sew, I will advise you to use from 200 to 500. Now we are using 500. I can see the 500 is a bit faster compared to 200, though it's not that fast, but is faster than 200. Let's increase it to 1000. 1000. Yes, let's go back to 1000 so you can see it. 1000. Okay, let's check how it is. 1000 is now fast compared to 500. Yes, it depends on what you are sewing. If you want to give a design, how to slow it down so your stitches will be straight. Now C150, C150 is now faster than 1000. Very fast. You keep on increasing it depending on what you're sewing or depending on your experience. If you think that you can handle the pressure from this speed, I can see this one is very, very fast. Now let's increase it to 300. Let's see how very fast. Like if you're not even careful, you may end up having an accident. Okay. This is the maximum speed 370. This is the highest